What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. In today's video, guys, I'm going to go over my Tesla option plays and how I made a little bit over $1,100 so far and the moves I have open for the rest of the week. So let's get started. Sorry I didn't get to do a earlier video of my option plays. It was a pretty busy week early. But let's check Tesla out here. Tesla's at $16.60. It is up pretty good today at $11.73. That's almost 2%. We check the week out, guys. It's up $6.21. First day it opened, Tesla was on fire. It was at $623.94 when the bell opened here. So it did fall off a little bit, and then it did regain here. So far with Tesla today, I'm up $1,173. Total return, like I said, I had Tesla for 2 weeks, so total return so far is at $3,266. My average cost is $583.94. I have 100 shares. So let's scroll over to all of my option plays that I did earlier in the week, and I'll go over the one that I still have open currently and what I plan to do with it. So I started on the 14th. So the first play I did here, I did when Tesla was at 624. I immediately sold a call option at a 660 strike price. That's about $35 off from the price it was at, and they were paying me a premium of $350. Later in the day, it started to fall off a little bit, so I did buy the contract back at $150. So I made a quick $200 off of this. I believe this was within the first hour or two the market was open. So it seemed like Tesla started rising again. So I did do a strike price a little bit less. So I did a 650 strike price instead of a 660. Same expiration date. They paid me $350 for this, and I basically sat on this through the whole day. Just before the market closed, I did buy it back. So I bought it back for $246. So I did make $104 on this play here. On the 15th, I had an alert that someone did a lot of contracts or option plays. They bought a call at a strike price of $625, expiring on $618. I just did 5 contracts. It cost me a pretty hefty premium of $450. The stock started to go down a little bit, so I bought one more contract to kind of dollar cost average at $430. And this was a pretty big mistake. I'll go over that with you. So the next day, Tesla fell probably $5, I believe, $5 to $7 it fell. So I bought one more contract at $211 from, like I said, I bought it for $450 originally. So I bought it at $211, and then it started to level off a little bit. So I was hoping that Tesla would recover fast. So I ended up dollar cost averaging, and I spent $4,600 on 20 contracts at $2.29, which is $229. And then it started going back up, so I bought 3 more at $242. My average cost after buying all these contracts was at $274. So I lucked out, and I was able to sell them back at a $3 strike, $3, so $300 per contract, 30 contracts altogether. So I was able to make $780 off of this. If I would have held a little longer, like if I would have sold it today, I could have made more. But keep in mind, this thing was all the way down to about $1 and I believe 50 or 60 cents. So I could have lost a lot of money on this, but I was happy that I was able to make $780. And then just before the market closed, probably about an hour or two before it closed, I did another sell call at a strike price of $625. I got a premium of $275. I bought it back just before the market because I don't know how the market's going to open, so I usually try to close it out before anything happens. So I did make $75 off of this. And then lastly, today I did another sell call once Tesla got up to about 610, 612 at a $625 strike price, and I basically just bought this back, or got the premium back. So I got it for $210. So that's all the plays I have open now. For the most part, I plan on just letting this expire worthless if Tesla finishes below 625. Like I said, right now, if you look at the option, it is down $14. But like I said, my break-even price is at $627.10. But I don't believe Tesla will finish above $625. I do believe they will stay in between $615 to $620. But if it does go above that, I will buy it back at a loss if need be. But that's the plays I have so far. If for some reason Tesla falls off to like 605 and I can buy this back for like $50, I may do that and then sell a call option at a 615 strike price to try to get an extra $150. So those are all my moves so far, guys. I believe I'm up just over $1,100 with all the option plays that I currently have done, and that doesn't include how much I'm up just with Tesla itself. So far this week has been a pretty good week. I've already hit my $1,500 goal in premiums for the month in the first 2 weeks. So the next 2 weeks, depending on how the stock goes, if it keeps on going up, I will be a little more risky. But if it does go down, then I will hold off a little bit. So that's all for today, guys. If you guys like what you hear and see, please definitely hit the subscribe, hit the like, and don't forget to comment below. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a wonderful day.